In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to connect your PS5 to Insignia TV. So, let's get started. Now, what do you need? You obviously need a PS5, so there you go. Then you need an HDMI cable that comes with your PS5. Then you're obviously gonna need your Insignia TV. And lastly, you're gonna need the power cables for both your TV and your PS5. So how do we start? So firstly, turn everything off. So make sure both your PS5 and Insignia TV are turned off. So turn off. Okay, that's the first step. You're gonna turn both the devices off. Then you're gonna connect the HDMI. So you're gonna plug in one end. So you can see on our HDMI cable we have two ends. So this one end is gonna go into here, back of our PS5. So you can see that I've just marked it. So one end goes there, and the other end goes back of our TV. So obviously you have to navigate to the back of your TV and plug it back there. Then you're gonna turn on the TV first and then turn on your PS5. So obviously use their power cables and turn them on. Now comes the part to the remote. Now on the remote, what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on this input button, okay? Now if you don't have this input button or you have a slightly different remote, then you're gonna click on the source or the home button. And from here, you're gonna navigate to whatever HDMI you have chosen, or whatever HDMI input you have. For example, we have HDMI 1, it could also be 2, 3, and so on. So just go ahead, if you don't know which one it is, just go ahead and try all of them. Whichever works, the PS5 opening screen would show up on that particular HDMI number. So that's basically it on how you can connect your PS5 on an Insignia TV. And I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.